While you may go on a hike on a regular basis or embark on a week-long backpacking trip, it is always a good idea to be prepared for the unexpected. The weather can quickly change, causing you to lose your way, run out of water, or even slip and fall and injure yourself. A survival kit is essential, so select the best item for your survival kit. Hey, everyone. Welcome to Survival on Demand. Today, we are going to go over the 10 best bushcraft gear for 2023 that lasts forever. So let's dig right into it. Number 10. Gear Aid 550 Paracord and Carabiner. This rope is made of super heavy-duty nylon and is made up of 7 individual strands that are weaved together to form a single paracord. It can be unraveled in a survival situation and used as a fishing line, thread, floss, or even a fire starter. It can be used to secure tents and shelters, make a makeshift clothes line, hang a bear bag, or even as a temporary climbing rope when joined together and thicker. It comes with a carabiner that allows it to be attached to a bag or a belt loop, making it easier to carry. It comes in 30 feet or 100 feet lengths in a variety of colors. Number 9. Kosin 17-in-1 Emergency Survival Gear. This gear pack contains everything you could possibly need while out in the wilds. A high-quality cold steel tactical knife and several credit card-sized knives can be used for a variety of tasks such as cleaning fish or cutting rope. A flint fire starter, multifunction scraper, tactical pen, tactical flashlight, compass, wire saw, and screwdriver are included as standard supplies. It's a truly comprehensive survival kit that comes in a hard plastic and waterproof case. When fully packed, the entire set weighs just over 1 pound, making it relatively light and easy to transport. This $30 kit comes with one of the best survival knives and everything else you need to handle any outdoor emergency. It's a great deal. Number 8. Ultra Bright Emergency Glow Sticks Survival Gear. It is not always possible to use a lantern or flashlight for illumination, particularly when they are battery-powered. One of the best alternatives are these glow sticks. They're relatively bright, emitting a vibrant glow, and can last for more than 12 hours. In comparison, most glow sticks have a maximum lifespan of about 8 hours. Because they are waterproof, non-toxic, and non-flammable, they can be used almost anywhere. A single pack contains 12 sticks in total, which should last for about 144 hours or about 6 days. So make sure to check out the link in the description for these glowing sticks to use on your next trip. Number 7. Prepared 4X Survival Blanket. This Prepared 4X Survival Blanket is the best way to stay warm, dry, and safe when it rains. This blanket is especially made for use in the outdoors in case of an emergency. Its poncho shape keeps you comfortable, and there's enough room under the blanket for you to even carry your backpack. The mylar material used here is tough, and the poncho itself was designed by NASA to be tear-resistant and very long-lasting. This gives you an outdoor blanket you can count on. You'll also like that it doesn't let water or wind in. This means that when you wear it, you can keep up to 90% of your body heat. Lastly, if you choose it, you'll be getting a blanket that is 2 times thicker than many others. Number 5. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter Survival Gear. Instead of lugging around a bunch of water bottles, you use this straw. You use it similarly to any other straw by immersing the front in water and sucking through the back. It filters out the majority of contaminants including bacteria, parasites, and other potentially harmful substances. Although it is not suitable for drinking water contaminated with harmful chemicals or human waste, the natural filtration system almost always delivers clean, neutral-tasting water and lasts up to 1,000 gallons per unit. Because the straw is so small and light, it's ideal for keeping in a bug-out bag or camping pack. Number 4. ReadyWise Emergency Food Supply Survival Gear. This massive package of individually wrapped MREs, meals ready to eat, contains enough food for up to 60 servings. Only a small amount of water is needed to prepare each meal and no cooking is required. As a result, they're an excellent choice for when you're out on the trail or somewhere without access to fire or ovens. The food has a 25-year shelf life, which means it will keep for a long time if properly sealed and stored. The lightweight and compact nature of the packages makes them particularly suitable for outdoor use. Number 3. Vont LED. It can be practically impossible to get anything done in the dark, which can occur unexpectedly due to dense tree cover or terrible weather. The super bright LEDs in these outdoor lanterns will illuminate the surrounding region. They're small, lightweight, and simple to transport or store. They also have a waterproof case and an almost unbreakable build. They can withstand a 10-foot drop. The lanterns are powered by 3 AA batteries which are provided. That is enough energy to power a candle for 90 hours. Needless to say, that's fairly astounding, and even without a backup set of batteries, they should last quite a while. Number 2. GoTime Gear Life Tent. It is sometimes necessary to have a temporary shelter option while outdoors, whether to stay dry and out of the rain or to stay warm in cold climates. That is exactly what this 2 tent provides. Keep in mind that it is not intended to be a long-term camping tent or shelter, but rather a quick refuge. It's quick and easy to assemble, thanks to the included paracord. The material is waterproof and similar to a heat blanket, so it will keep the body dry and warm in extreme conditions. It's ultra-lightweight, so it won't slow you down on long hikes, and it fits neatly into a carrying bag. And the best part is that it would cost only $20. Number 1. TG Plasma Lighter. This is a lighter, but it's not like any other you've seen. It's a TG flameless lighter. Flammable things can be set ablaze with the electric twin arc of this plasma lighter, thanks to the power of science and ingenuity. Because of its flameless technology, you won't have to worry about strong winds or heavy rain blowing out the lighter's flame. A sturdy waterproof housing is also provided with the TG Plasma Lighter. The elements have no chance against this gear. You'll also be able to charge it with the included USB cord, and once charged, you'll get roughly 300 uses before the battery runs out, at which point you'll need to recharge again. So, which is your favorite survival gear, and why? Please let us know your thoughts in the comments section down below. That's all for this video. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment on this video if you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.